better to be sitting on AC room all the time.
Don't worry, you will soon have your AC room.
I know. Well, that's in the new house, so it's month, months till the new house.
Okay.
I'll be back. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, Veer Mundra.
Ma'am, my birthday is coming.
Wow.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am,
Yes.
since there's no AC in here, I just went 30 steps away to just like turn on, just put a fan full. 30 steps
Oh
away.
God. Yes, Veer Mundra, what happened?
Because I'm sitting over here. And where we will go? And the fan is over there.
Once.
Over there. Ma'am, where we will go in your birthday?
Where will I go? I already went. No, my birthday is over. I
Where
went
will
to
you go in?
I went to Hogspot.
Huh?
You seen that place? Okay, I think we need to wait for some more time for everyone to enter the class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Oh my God, you know there are only 3 more days left for your vacation to start. I will miss you all.
Ma'am, it's just for 15 days. Ma'am,
Mm.
I also. Get crazier than
What
me.
you will miss me?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Ma'am, but can I tell you something? It's just for 15 days. Yes.
I know, but 15 days are going to be long for me.
I know, me too. I'm just gonna make a heart after this. Ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आप है ना होमवर्क नहीं मत देना
होमवर्क नहीं दो। अब होमवर्क दूंगी तो ज्यादा मिस करोगे ना।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, Siddharth, now we'll start with the prayer. Yes, Arav?
मैम मेरा लैपटॉप ठीक हो जाए तभी मैं होमवर्क सेंड कर
Okay, no problem. Yes, Ridan?
मैम today I want to do prayer.
Yes, it is your only chance to pray.
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
Thank you, God, for the word so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the bird that sing. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for everything.
Very good, very nice. Okay, okay, Ridan, you tell me what is the day today and what is the date today?
Today is 23 10
No, Baba, it is not 23.
26
Yes,
10 2021.
very good. And what is the day today?
Today is Tuesday.
Very good. And okay, tell me the spelling of Tuesday.
Tuesday. TUE
Use.
TUESDAY.
Very good. And October?
OCTOCT
OCTO. October.
BER.
Very good. Very nice. You should break it and say it. Yes. Yes, Nivi?
Ma'am, look, I made a heart out of this rope.
Wow.
Can make more of these.
Okay.
If I would have 1,000 ropes, I would be
Okay. Okay, children. Now I'm going to take your attendance. Okay. Arav?
I am hero.
Dev?
Yes, ma'am.
Henny?
Happy.
Ridan?
Present, ma'am.
Janvi?
Princess.
Jivansh?
Gymnastics star.
Okay, but turn on your camera. Kyra?
Elsa. Good morning, ma'am.
Jivansh, remove the background. That is not allowed. Yes, Krishiv?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
I am
morning.
happy.
Nilansh?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Where's Nilansh? Neeti? Nivi?
Orange.
Okay, Pahel?
Absent, ma'am.
Okay, Preet?
I am active.
Rajveer?
Adorable.
Riyansh?
Good boy.
Rudra?
Present.
Suhan?
I am good boy.
Veer Mundra?
I am strong boy.
Veer Patel?
Present, ma'am.
Vihan?
Blue.
Viona?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, children, take out your English notebooks for dictation. You're supposed to write dictation 17. Write today's date and 1 to 10 numbers in the margin. Like this, you're supposed to write the numbers. Ready? Quickly. Dictation 17. Whose microphone is on? Turn off your microphone. Fiona, turn off your microphone.
Yes.
Yes, Jivansh?
मैम आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख के भेज दें।
चैट बॉक्स में लिख के भेजू। क्यों आपको नहीं दिख रहा है?
दिख रहा है लेकिन चैट बॉक्स में देख देख के कर सकता हूँ।
Write today's date. Yes, Janvi?
चैट बॉक्स में
क्या चैट बॉक्स में? स्पेलिंग थोड़ी चैट बॉक्स में लिखूंगी. आई हैव रिटन डिक्टेशन 17 इन चैट बॉक्स. Okay. Everyone finish writing? Did everyone finish writing dictation 17 and 1 to 10 numbers? Yes? Pahel, write fast.
मैम मेरे ग्रुप में
Niyama, you
मिल
need to raise your hand. What is this? Have you forgotten the rules?
इंग्लिश.
Fiona, can you please turn off your microphone? Okay. Should we start the dictation? Okay. Now, in between, nobody is going to ask me. Yes? I will repeat the words 2 times. Okay? First 5 I will say, and again I will repeat, then I will say the next 5. Okay? Okay. So, your first word is eggplant. Eggplant. First word is eggplant. Yes, Henny?
मैं घूमने आई हूँ. मैं घूमने आई हूँ.
हाँ तो फिर then don't attend the class. If you're not going to do anything in the class, then leave the class. Okay. Everyone finish with the first word? Okay, the second word is carrot. Carrot. Second word is carrot. Second word is carrot. Everyone finish writing carrot? Okay. Third word is cabbage. Cabbage. Third word is cabbage. Everyone finish writing the third word? Okay. Your fourth word is green peas. Green peas. Fourth word is green peas. Fourth word is green peas. Fifth word is, everyone finish writing the fourth word? Write fast. Fifth word is tomato. Fifth word is tomato. Fifth word is tomato. Okay, I'm going to repeat the 5 words. Okay. First word is eggplant. First word is eggplant. Second word is carrot. Second word is carrot. Third word is cabbage. Third word is cabbage. Fourth word is green peas. Fourth word is green peas. And fifth word is tomato. Fifth word is tomato. Now, sixth word. Sixth word is cauliflower. Sixth word is cauliflower. Sixth word is cauliflower. There, everyone finish writing the sixth word? Write fast, children. Sixth word is cauliflower.
If you want to achieve better
Seventh
results,
word
make a great
is-
impression, and save time at work, you
Seventh word is bell pepper. Seventh word is bell pepper. Seventh word is bell pepper. Eighth word is spinach. Eighth word is spinach. Eighth word is spinach. Everyone finish writing the eighth word? Write fast, children. Okay. Ninth word. Ninth word is potato. Potato. Ninth word is potato. Ninth word is potato. Everyone finish writing potato? Okay. And the last word is onion. Onion. Last word is onion. Okay, children, then if you have finished, you can take the picture and send it to me. Don't show it to me. You are showing the answers to everybody else also, so I don't want you to do that. You can take a picture and send it to me. I will check it. Okay, everyone finished writing all the words? Yes? Okay, fine. Now close your books and keep it aside.
मैंने send कर दिया.
Okay, very good. And Janvi, next time please raise your hand if you want to say something. Okay. Now keep your books aside. Yes, Dave?
Done.
Okay, okay, fine. You don't need to keep raising your hand and just to say done. Okay, now I know that everybody is done. Just show me your thumbs up. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to watch this story. Yesterday we discussed about the tree, right? So you have this poem, very beautiful one.
NCRT's Birdsee's right foot on.
See?
A little bird sees right fruit on a tree and eats a tasty berry. The bird flies tall and a berry seed falls. The rains have come, hurry, let's run. Clouds, rain and sun, a plant is born, a little one. Now a tree with branches long grows and birds song. Crawling ants and spiders' webs, caterpillars with tiny legs, rich green leaves, life aplenty. The tree has fruits, some big, some small. Let us pluck them, but do not fall. Crows, birds, squirrels run and see the monkeys having fun. Strong branches with pretty swings, a beautiful tree has so many things. Let's know this.
So, did you see the poem? What is it saying? What happened? One bird, what did it do? It took the fruit and it was taking in its beak. So, when it was eating the fruit, what happened? One seed fell. Yes, and what happens when the seed falls on the ground? It goes in the mud. When the rain falls, it goes inside the mud. Yes, and then when the sun comes out, it gets light also. So it grows into a tree. Yes, we learned this in our chapter, right? Plants around us. Yes, did you understand? Then what she was saying, that all the squirrels and birds and monkeys, everybody was enjoying it. Yes. See, let's understand this.
Summary of this poem. This poem is based on a tree. One bird is eating a fruit.
See?
One of its seeds fall down on the ground. Some days later, the rain falls and little plant grows up from that seed. Slowly, the plant grows into a big tree. Its branches have become long. There are a number.
See, that small plant has grown into a big tree and it has lots of leaves and strong branches. So the birds are enjoying over there. Yes, there are birds and monkeys come, and then other insects also come, like
They start
ants and
crawling on
caterpillar.
the tree. The tree has fruits and green.
See, even the
leaves.
squirrel is
Crows,
coming.
squirrels, and monkeys all have fun.
And
on
it
the
has
tree.
lots of fruits
There is
also
a
on
swing
it.
on the tree as well. The tree has so many things.
Even the children are
Let's
playing.
know basic word and their.
Yes. Okay. Now. Okay, now you are going to take out your English textbook. English textbooks, page number 67. English textbooks, page number 67. Okay, what does the poem say? Our tree. A little bird sees ripe fruit on our tree and eats a tasty berry. The bird flies tall and a berry seed falls. The rains have come. Hurry, let's run. Clouds, rain, and sun. Our plant is born a little one. So when it is getting rain and sun, when it gets water and sun both, the plant grows very well. Yes, yes, Veer Mundra. Now a tree with branches long, crows and bird song, crawling ants and spiders webs, caterpillars with tiny legs, rich green leaves, life aplenty. Yes. So there are so many birds and insects and even children playing around the tree. Yes. Okay. So now the tree has fruit, some big, some small. Let us pluck them, but do not fall. So what they're saying, the tree has lot of fruits. Let's pluck it and eat them, but see that you don't fall. Yes. Crows perch, squirrels run, and see the monkeys having fun. Strong branches with pretty swings. A beautiful tree has so many things. Yes. Now let's go to page number 69. Page number 69. Open page number 69. Okay. And write today's date. Page number 69. Write today's date. Today is 26 10 21. Yes. Now let's go to this. Let's share. Circle the things you can find on a tree. So what do you find on a tree? Beehive. Beehive you can find on a tree. So we will circle this. Yes, beehive you can find on a tree. Do you find clothes on tree? Yes or no? Do you find clothes on tree? No. So we will not circle this. Then do you find a broken kite on a tree? Sometimes the kite is stuck over there. Yes. So we will circle this kite also. Yes. Because sometimes the kite gets stuck on the tree. Yes. Then do you find crows on the tree? Yes, you find crows on the tree. Yes. So we will circle crows. Do you find a pencil on a tree? No, we don't find a pencil on a tree. Yes, so we will not circle this. Then do you find a book on a tree? No, you don't find a book on a tree. So we will not circle it. So do you find leaves on the tree? Yes, we find leaves on the tree. Yes, so we will circle leaves. Then do you find ant on the tree? Yes, we find ants on the tree. Yes. There are a lot of different kind of insects on the tree. Sometimes you find mosquitoes, caterpillars, all these things also on the tree. Okay. So now, juicy fruits. See, name the fruits you can see on the push cart. Say which ones you like the most. See, there are apples, pineapples, mangoes, bananas, grapes, oranges. Yes. Okay, now we will write the date over here also on this page. That is 20. Okay, wait 1 second. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20. 20.
Page number.
This is the next page. Page number 70. And please raise your hand, Janvi, next time. Every time I have to keep telling you. Yes, Pahel?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Pahel.
इसको सर्कल करना है.
किसको?
This one.
पेंसिल को नहीं करना है. पेंसिल नहीं, क्लोथ्स को भी नहीं करना है. क्लोथ्स दिखते हैं कभी ट्री
Yes.
पे?
This one.
हाँ, नहीं.
Wait,
You don't have to circle this. Okay?
Ma'am, this one.
What this one? Yes, beehive we have to circle. See, I have circled. See?
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay?
you.
Okay. Yes, Nivi?
Ma'am, how can I see which one I like the most? I like all.
Very good. It's good to like all the fruits.
Yes.
Okay, so now we will no, like we are directly going to go on this one. Okay, so how does a seed grow? Look at the pictures below and number them in the correct order. So what do you do first? You dig the earth. So this is number 1. You dig the earth, then you plant the seed. Yes, second is you plant the seed. Then third is then you water the plant. And the fourth one is the plant grows. Yes. So this is the number sequence. First I dig the earth, second I plant the seed, third I water the plant, and fourth the plant grows. Yes. Did everyone finish doing this? Okay. Now, page number 71 is your homework. Yes, page number 71 is your homework. Yes, Kaira?
मैम जो पेज नंबर 71 है वो दोनों करने हैं.
Yes, दोनों करने हैं. And this page number 72 is also your homework. Help the bird reach the nest. So you have to help this bird reach the nest. Yes, this is also your homework. Yes, page number 71 and 72, both are your homework. Yes, Veer Mundra.
Ma'am, it is grammar notebook.
Veer, it is English textbook Marigold. Till now, what were you doing? You didn't do anything. It is why would it be grammar? It is English Marigold.
Ma'am, it is for marigold.
Yes. So what did you do? So this is your homework. Page number 71 and 72 is your homework.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, children, now you all can take a break quickly and come back.